some people got no rhythm. Like, some people grew up dancing with their families, taking ballet lessons, piano lessons, but some people just got no rhythm. This video is for them. Don't feel the music, can't find the beat, not sure why we count to 8. You know, them. Or you. It's okay. Everyone's had different levels of exposure to music and dance. It's just practice. That's what this video is. Practice. No steps, just finding the beat. Here's some basics about music. The songs we dance to are made up of multiple measures, 4 beats each. One measure sounds like this. Well, that wasn't very long. Let's listen to 2 measures, 8 beats. How about 4 measures? And the song's just gonna kick in and get better, so let's listen to the refrain, 8 measures. That was a lot of 4s, so why do we count to 8? Well, in the next video when we start stepping to the music, we're going to take 3 steps alternating feet for every 4 beats in a measure. That means if we start one measure stepping with the left foot, the next measure we start stepping with the right foot. To differentiate between the two, we show off a little bit and show that we can count 5, 6, 7, and 8 for the first, second, third, and fourth beats of the second measure. Now we can do the exercises. Let's go over what we're going to do. First thing is to find the a tiempo or the odd numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to add in the even numbers to find all 8 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to isolate the even numbers to find the contratiempo, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to isolate just the first beat of each measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The second beat of each measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The third beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the fourth beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to slow it down a little bit with a different track. This one has more of like a funk kind of groove to it that we can use to find the rhythm. But if we can do the exercises with this one, we can go back and do them with El Monte, which is more son montuno, a tiempo. All 8 beats. So that's it. The next video is all about cadence and how we move our feet to get those 3 steps across 4 beats in a measure that I was talking about earlier. Big thank you to Paulo for being so generous and letting us use the music in the videos. I think it makes a huge difference. They've got great music. Please go check them out. It's time to go edit this nightmare. Cute camera transitions and shit. Color numbers. Here's 32 beats. It's like, yeah, we get it. There's some of them are red. We actually kind of got what you're going for after about 8, but you know, don't let that stop you. Just keep on going. Never again. Never, ever, ever. Yeah, maybe.